In this video, I'll show you how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams. Sharing your screen in Teams is useful when you want to present a document, show a website, walk through an app, or explain something live during a meeting. Microsoft's current support guidance says you can share your entire screen, a specific window, a PowerPoint file, or other collaborative content right from the meeting controls. First, join or start your Microsoft Teams meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, look at the meeting toolbar and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you can choose exactly what you want other people to see. According to Microsoft, Screen shows everything on your display, while Window lets you share just one open app or browser window. If you only want people to see one program, choose Window. This is usually the better option because it helps keep notifications and unrelated tabs private. But if you need to move between multiple apps, choose Screen instead, so everything on your display can be shown as you switch around. Microsoft also says Teams can let you share a PowerPoint presentation directly through PowerPoint Live, which is useful when you want a more polished presentation experience. If you are sharing a video or anything with sound, turn on the Include Sound toggle before you start sharing. Microsoft notes that this shares audio from your computer with the meeting, which is helpful for videos, demos, or presentations with music. In some cases, you can also turn audio sharing on or off after screen sharing has already started. Once you select what you want to share, Teams will begin presenting it to everyone in the meeting. While you are sharing, you can continue speaking, switch between windows if you chose full screen, and stop sharing when you are done. To end it, go back to the meeting controls and click Stop Sharing. Microsoft also offers presenter modes if you want your camera feed to appear in a more presentation-style layout while you share. So the basic steps are simple. Join the meeting, click Share, choose Screen or Window, turn on Include Sound if needed, and stop sharing when you finish. That's how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.